Hi Gilbert, today is Wednesday, June 3rd, and I have an update for you on COVID. We are doing these videos once a week now, but I cannot let this opportunity pass without having a conversation with you about the unrest, the pain that exists both in our community and all around us. And so I want to make sure that you all know that in Gilbert, we're going to do everything we can to be empathetic, to be compassionate, to uphold the law. Our effort really is to support each other. We have a community of kindness. I hope that never, ever leaves. If anyone feels uncomfortable or is hurt, we all hurt. It's just how our community works, and it's because our lives are completely intertwined in a place like Gilbert. And so while we support our public safety teams, and I'm incredibly proud of the work that our teams are doing, we also have an obligation and a desire to serve each other. So continue to do that, and we are working on some plans. We hope to be able to announce soon where we create safe spaces for listening, to giving support, to getting support, and so just stay tuned for those. We do want to take action. We want to take swift action, and we also want to take really a thoughtful approach that really does start with listening. So today's COVID update is the total cases in Arizona are 22,223. Mind you, we're only doing these videos once a week now, so those numbers are jumping for sure. We actually have quite a few more cases in Arizona than we had at the last update. So yesterday was the highest amount of new cases reported in one day. Our total deaths in Arizona are 981. In Maricopa County, there are 11,068 cases, and our total deaths in Maricopa County are 466. The cases in Gilbert zip codes are 331, and we are still consistent since May 19th at 3% of the total number of Maricopa County cases. We want to make sure that we're reporting this number accurately. So Arizona Department of Health Services is reporting 6.8% of the positive tests. So of the number of tests that are being administered, there are 6.8% that are positive. So we wanted to make sure we shared that with you as well. For those of you who are watching budget discussions and following that for the town, we did have to postpone our budget conversation that was supposed to occur last night to the 16th in order to be respectful of the curfew that's in place and also allow for the ample amount of public comment. But we will continue that discussion, a very important one for our community. Our financial health is really important to us as well. I understand and have seen some of the comments that people feel like I'm trying to fearmonger as it relates to COVID and others. I'm very consistent about what I report out to you. I want you to be able to follow the numbers, and we have a substantial amount of information on our website, gilbertaz.gov/COVID-19. Your power comes in knowledge and comes in a comprehensive understanding. So I'm doing nothing other than reporting the numbers, and we are letting our citizens decide how they want to handle that. Particularly if you have a vulnerable family member or someone who is at risk, you will want to know these things very, very in depth. And so we have additional information on our website. And I want to give a huge shout out to our data analyst, Melissa Cannon, who does a tremendous amount of work to make sure that we understand both the trend lines and also how this is affecting our community. So thank you, everyone, and I hope you have a great day.